All right, let's do another example using single-step conversions. In this example, we have James, who weighs 154 pounds, but when he goes to Europe, everyone describes what we call weight and what they call mass in kilograms. So James needs to convert his 154 pounds into kilograms. So now the process starts just like before. We start by writing 154 pounds, LBS, over 1. That lets us reminds us that the pounds are on top. And we put another fraction. And we know that we want to get rid of pounds and have kilograms. So in order to cancel this pound on top, I put the next pounds on bottom. Notice I haven't looked for any numbers yet. I'm over here just working with units now. Pounds and pounds are going to cancel. And that means kilogram, what I'm converting to, goes on top. Now I got to go find the numbers for these two. So when I look over here in the table, I find one that has pounds to kilograms, and it happens to be right here. And notice this one's Earth only. So if you're ever on like Mars mission, you can't use this number. It's not going to be true. You have to find out a new number for Mars. But since most of our time in class will be on Earth, we can use this number. So I notice here that the 1 kilogram, the 1 goes with the kilogram. So I'm going to go over here, find kilogram, put the 1 with it. And the 2.2 pounds goes with the pounds. So I'm going to go down here and put 2.20. Now notice, the bigger number is not always on top. It just follows its unit. And we knew to put pounds on bottom so that it would cancel with the pounds on top, getting rid of pounds. So this pound cancels that pounds. Those two are goners. We have just kilograms left. Now all we have to do is just do the math. Now as we do this, our first step for doing the math is to just type in that first number. So type in the number in the calculator. So 154 was on our calculator. And then this next number is on bottom of a fraction, 2.2. So when it's on bottom, we divide, remember? So we do 154 in our calculator. It's on bottom, so we push divided by 2.20. And the answer here ends up being 70 kilograms. Right? Now, of course, you could add the 1 into. You could say 154 times 1 divided by 2.20, but that times 1 won't actually change the number at all, so you can skip that step if you want and go 154 divided by 2.20 gives you 70 kilograms. Okay. So that was step 2. Good job. I hope that makes sense. Next thing is to do some practice problems, so click anywhere on the screen here at all to do some practice problems. For example, you could click here, you could click over here, you could click up here, you could click on these words, click anywhere, just click somewhere to go on to the next video, click on it, you know you want to, go ahead, click here, why have you clicked it, just click, use the mouse, click, alright, here, I'll draw a bullseye, oh look at that, bullseye, click it, you're gonna miss it, the video's ending in 3, 2, 1, oh you missed it.